Hello and welcome back to oneHOWTO. Today you will learn the most basic hip-hop dance steps. Then we will rehearse a choreographed sequence. It is important to remember that the movement is always downward with our legs bent like this. So step number 1. We lift the knee and bring the opposite shoulder close to the lifted leg. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. We also loosen our arms. Step number 2. We move the legs as follows. Heel and then toe and toe. We repeat this 8 times. So it goes heel, heel, toe, toe. Repeat this 8 times, okay? So heel, heel, toe, toe. Step number 3. This movement is called Mike Tyson, but in this choreography we're going to do a small variation. With one foot, we're going to use the heel, and with the other foot, we're going to use the toe. So it goes like this. Boom, and boom. We will repeat this movement 8 times. So let us practice the first 3 steps. So step number 1, shoulder with the opposite leg. Step number 2, tic-tac-toe. Step number 3, the Mike Tyson variation. Then I bring my legs together and complete the movement with my heel. You can move your arms however you like. What matters most is that you do the movements correctly with your legs. So step number 4. Now we're going to do right, left, and boom. Left, right, and boom. And we're going to repeat these 8 times or until you feel confident enough. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to check out other hip-hop tutorials on our oneHOWTO channel. Until next time.